All right, you guys. PCP slugger. Got my Mkiii sniper, 700 millimeter, 22 cal. This gun shoots like a beast. No, I'm not going to shoot Mr. Houdini right here. That's my son's pet. But I am going to do some target range out at. He bites me, I'm going to shoot his ass. I'm going to put some targets out at 100 yards. And these, I'm going to be shooting Zon 23 grains. And see, look at that. He's going to get shot. He's chewing on my boot. And be shooting Zon 23 grains, Nielsen 24.5s, and 100 yards. I'll put the bullets up on the screen so you know exactly where I'm hitting. Like I said, can't shoot my son's hog. But if he keeps messing around, he just might get it. Alright, 22 caliber BT sniper, 700 millimeter barrel. This gun, I'm telling you guys, shoots almost any pellet, any slug so far that I have, and it shoots it like a dream. And I've only shot it once or twice. It's not even broken in. Immediately out of the box, it was just shooting straight accuracy. So I haven't changed anything on the power wheel, left it all stock. I'm going to shoot it for a while until I go messing up stuff, you know, changing stuff on it. It's got so much power though, you guys. I mean, it's crazy. When you turn it up to 7, it's just firing those slugs, those Zon 23 grains that I don't really know, but they're flying fast. I don't have a reader yet, but so just check it out. 100 yards, Zons, Zon projectile 23 grains, and then they got the new ones, 218s, 23 grains, and these are the 217 23 grains. And as far as the Nielsen specialty, they're 217 24.8. So put the camera down range, way down there, 100 yards, and we'll see what happens. Like and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Pretty damn good. 2 in the same hole. That's 100 yards. It's windy outside. And that's a brand new gun, second mag. Let's try the Nielsen specialty ammo next. Alright, you guys, next up are the FX 22 grains. I sighted this gun in one time, 1-0 with one slug, and pretty much every slug, you guys, is all hitting right here in the same honey hole. This is a brand new gun. This is probably the 3rd mag shot through this gun, and look at the performance you're getting right out of the box. Can't beat it. It's almost like I'm shooting the same slug the whole time. Honestly, it's can't even tell the difference which slug is what, which one's heavier, which one's lighter. So these are the FX 22 grain, 100 yards. Alright, you guys, FX hybrids, 22 grain. Any one of these slugs, you could buy that gun and shoot through them, and I don't think it matters which one you pick. Go for the cheapest one. I mean, you see this performance at 100 yards on a windy day. Brand new gun. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'm not going to kill Houdini.
my son's pig. But catch you on the next one. Thanks, guys.